Okay, so students, now all of you take out your maths copies, that is my skill book math 3, and open page number 5151. First of all, write down date. And what is the date today? Today is 6 July, so write down 6 July 2021. So today we will do 2 pages, that is page number 5151 and 5353. Okay, so write the numbers. What we all have to do is we have to write the number that comes after the given numbers. We all know that what are after numbers? The number that comes after the given number, or we can say the next number or the coming number. For example, here we are having 5151. So what is the coming number? What comes after 5151? It's number 5252. So we simply write here 5252 like this. Now the next one is 5656. Now tell me what comes after 5656? It's number 5757. Now what comes after 5252? It's number 5353. Now what comes after the 5757? What is the next number, the coming number? 5858. We simply have to write the number that comes after the given number. Given number ये है, इसके बाद जो भी number आएगा that is called the next number or the coming number. So we have to simply write that number. Okay. Now what comes after 5353? It's number 5454. Now what comes after 5858? It's number 5959. Now what comes after 5454? It's number 5555. Now what comes after 5959? It's number 6060. Now what comes after 5555? It's number 5656. The coming number is 5656. Now what comes after 5050? It's number 5151. Look how much simple it is. We just have to write the number that comes after the given numbers. Okay, first let us do page number 5252. Afterwards we will do page number 5353. Okay, so what we have to do is first of all write down date. Okay, so in this page we have to write the number that comes in between the given numbers. As we all know, what is the meaning of in between? In between means in the middle of two things. When we are talking about in between, it means in the middle of two things. Here we are having number 5858 and here we are having 6060. It means first we have to think that what comes after 5858, that is the after number, the coming number. Then we have to think what comes before 60, that is the previous number. Only then we will get the number that comes in between these two numbers. Okay, so first of all tell me what comes after 5858? It's number 5959. Now what comes before 60? It's 5959. It means 5959 is in between number 5858 and 6060. Now the next one is 5151, 5353. What comes after 5151? It's number 5252. What comes before 53? It's 5252. It means 5252 is in between 51 and 53. The next one is 5757 and 5959. First of all, students, tell me what comes after 57? It's 58. What comes before 59? Again it's 58. It means number 5858 is in between number 57 and 59. The next one is 52 and 54. What comes after 52? 53. What comes before 54? Again it's number 53. It means 53 number is in between number 52 and 54. Now the next one is 52. What comes after 50? 51. What comes before 52? Again it's 51. It means 5151 is in between 50 and 52. In between means in the middle of two things. Here 5151 is in between these two numbers. Now you have to do these two parts by yourself. Now turn your pages. Write the number that comes before the given numbers. Before means the previous number. Means जो पहले आया हो. Like 5151 से पहले क्या आएगा? It's number 5050. So what comes before 51? It's 50. Now what comes before 58? It's number 5751. Or we can say the previous number. Okay. The next one is 53. What comes before 53? 52. What comes before 56? It's 55. What comes before 55? It's 54. What comes before 54? It's number 53. What comes before 57? 56. What comes before 52? It's number 51. Like this we have to do page number 5353. Now you have to do these two parts by yourself. So students, today we have revised number that comes today we have revised that the numbers that comes before the given numbers, after the given numbers, or in between the given numbers. Today we have revised concept of before, after and in between. That's all for today. Now we will meet in our next video. Till then,